Hello people, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my vegetarian lasagna recipe. It is you can say not that heavy with ricotta cheese like you get it outside. We are using vegetables, fresh vegetables, your tomatoes, and your pasta sauce. And I will go over with you or rest of the ingredients. The other thing is, please subscribe and share with your friends, and do leave me comments on this recipe as well. Thanks. So these are the ingredients I'm using. I'm using 12 strips of organic lasagna, one large eggplant chopped. You can use any other vegetable of your like spinach, kale, peas. This is two medium to large size carrots chopped as well. 1 cup of green Italian parsley. 3.5 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded. You can use the ready-made. This is 6 ounce of cream cheese, and onion is 1 cup chopped as well. 4 tablespoonful of olive oil, garlic paste, 2 to 3 chili. This is a tomato paste with add-on. I have added my own spices. I'll go over with you later on. This is cayenne pepper, red chili pepper powder, and some Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoonful each. Parmesan cheese for shaving later on, and salt to taste. 1 jar of Arabatia spicy sauce. This again, we are back to that paste. Added 1 teaspoonful of garlic paste, 1 teaspoonful of green chilies, cayenne pepper, and red chili powder with little bit of salt added. And this is for to use on top 2 layers when we are doing the lasagna. While I'm cooking this, in meantime I will go ahead and heat up my oven at 375 degrees. Heat up the oil on a medium to high heat. Add onions, saute it for a minute or so, like this, little bit of a golden brownish color. Add your eggplant. Again, you can use any other vegetable of your choice, your favorite ones, like if you like broccoli, spinach, kale, mushrooms, zucchini. You can use your basil, other herbs as well. So there is no one thing. You can always put in what your favorite vegetables and herbs are and mix it up. Here I just put in all the ingredients together and added some Italian parsley. It looks good. And mix it well. Italian seasoning, some cayenne pepper. Again, heat is a thing for me. I love hot and spicy food, but you can do according to your taste. Looks like this pasta are almost done, so I'm going to take them out. For instruction on how to boil, follow the instruction on the container of the lasagna. Adding a 1/4 cup of water. Again, let it cook for about 3-4 minutes, and that should be it. Take 3 to 4 teaspoonful of olive oil in your baking dish, then layer of sauce, and then add 4 strips of lasagna. If your lasagna are longer, just cut them up about 2 to 3 inches I did so because my tray was a bit smaller than the lasagna. And then add nice first layer. I do bit thicker layer because it's on the bottom, so when you cut them up it comes out really nice squares. So here just layer the vegetables and then add mozzarella cheese. Again, nice good even layer of mozzarella cheese. Add cream cheese. Just dollop with hands is better. It's much better with hands. Make sure your hands are washed before you do this, please. Again, a layer of sauce, just like that. And then this is our second layer. We are going to have 3 layers of lasagna pasta like this, and in between we'll have 2 layers of the fillings of vegetables, mix like that, and then mozzarella cheese, cream cheese. And on this second layer I'm going to use that tomato paste that I had shown you. I use this method because this way it comes out very moist and it doesn't dry out my lasagna. So and it works fine ever since I've been doing this with my lasagna, and it even tastes better because with the tomato paste it keeps it moist, and it with the sauce sometimes if you do add more sauce it becomes runny. Right? So I think this way it is just coming out perfect. You try it and see if you like this method. So the very last layer, top layer, I added rest of my sauce. Use up the whole jar and some whatever cheese is left over right there, and let's put it in the oven and bake it for about 50 minutes. It should be check in between, it depends on individual oven. And for the garlic bread I will show you the easiest way to make a garlic bread. Buy 1 loaf of French bread or Italian bread, cut it in a half. Again, slice the bread in half, both sides, and then we can drizzle some oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil or some like butter as well, so it's up to you. The best is olive oil or avocado oil. I'm using here some garlic salt with seasoning and garlic powder, just like that. You can use fresh garlic as well. Here's a red crushed pepper, and then put it on a baking tray and broil it on high or low heat according to your oven. Let's take a look. That looks good. So our lasagna is done, and so is our garlic bread. I'm just going to slice them and let's serve it hot. And let's see, let's put it in here. I have the plate made up. See how good it looks. Let's put some garnish. I had some Italian parsley leftovers, so just give us some garnish, and then just take one piece out and see how it's coming out. Oh wow, that looks perfect. And don't forget to put some Parmigiano. That's the best part. Put some on garlic bread as well. And it even tastes better with your favorite glass of wine or any other beverage that you enjoy. Cheers, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.